Mercedes is set to replace the EQB with the GLB Electric in 2026. CEO Ola Kalanius has indirectly confirmed that the second-gen GLB and its electric variant will adopt the MMA architecture as part of the company's new compact vehicle portfolio. Before going to the details, ensure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on future EVs. The GLB Electric will retain the boxy silhouette, maximizing interior space. Key updates will include an illuminated grille featuring a dynamic starlight animation. A continuous light band should connect the curved rectangular headlights, which should optionally feature star-shaped DRLs. Retractable door handles, upright rear styling, and connected tail lamps incorporating the Mercedes star signature should round out the look. The GLB Electric's interior should feature the optional MBUX Superscreen, integrating a driver instrument display, central touchscreen, and passenger side display. Besides optional third-row seating, it should offer wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, augmented reality navigation, head-up display, and Level 2++ autonomous driving capability. Built on the 800-volt MMA architecture, the GLB Electric is expected in 250+ and 354-matic models. The all-wheel drive version is expected to deliver 349 horsepower, with a 0 to 62 mph achieved in about 5 seconds. A standard 85 kWh battery, supporting fast charging rates of up to 320 kW, should enable a 10 to 80% charge in just about 22 minutes. Driving range is projected at up to around 325 miles, significantly improving over the EQB's maximum 250-mile range. The expected top speed of 130 miles per hour is a notable upgrade from the EQB's 99 mph limit. The GLB Electric is set to debut around mid-2026. Assuming no additional tariffs, pricing in the US should begin at approximately $55,000 for model year 2027. What do you most look forward to in the GLB Electric? Drop your comment below, and we'll see you in our next video.